Morning guys. Today we're gonna go jet skiing. Looks like it's gonna be a good day for it. And
yeah, I'll get hard. Yeah, get it for us.
It's just gonna fly this way anyways.
Hello.
Yo, the bacon looks mad.
I have to beat you! I have to beat you!
Got your man's ass in my scope, extend his dick down in my throat. These seconds know I'm wearing his ass like a cloak. Now I'm this number one hoe. These men I be banging, penis be slaying, and making dick sandals the world be claiming. He fuck like a beast, you cannot tame him. We don't use condoms, this shit don't get damaged. Not in my face, I was penis is perfect. I'm looking for a whole lot of niggas, whole lot of faggots. See the balls in your pants, and you know I gotta grab it. All great smoke, big quick, gotta have it. Be your ass over the short, I'm static.
whoa! Yes, we're going to jet ski today with Adam.
Spray water on the car.
Getting ready to go jet ski with Jung's head. So guys, we just got the jet ski safaris. Yeah.
So how long is our ride for? 2.5?
2.5 hours.
Holy shit. So everyone has 2.5 or?
No, I got an hour.
I have the same information.
Walking around with the big
Alright,
window.
don't go too fast please, I'm gonna get scared. I look like a police officer.
One foot first. Yeah. Kevin Ramadan.
Hey, what's up?
What's up guys? We just on the jet skis.
Hey, Michelle, I'm sorry, yeah?
So I'm gonna keep it hello, I guess. Yeah, we are here. We just passed the tutorial section of this
Highway
quest.
passes driving.
Let's go, guys. I got my pink slip. Gave up my pink slip. Let's go.
Yeah.
No, jet skiing is
The guy makes the turns look so easy.
Maybe you give the update of what
He's trying
happened.
to do that shit, bro.
Well, we meant to go
Rafay tipped our jet ski. Firstly, he threw us both off. And then 5 minutes later, he tipped the jet ski upside down and it filled with water. So now we have to go back to land. Everyone's trip is cancelled.
And we're in a 3 jet ski.
And now we're in a 3 jet ski and I'm kind of scared for my life. Yeah.
It's like a gay train radio.
Yeah. And we don't get to see the full thing because of Rafay.
And we saw dolphins.
We did see dolphins. Mr. I rode a jet ski last week.
Yeah, bro.
The waves.
We had a bit of a tragedy, guys. Tragedy. I was riding the jet ski. I got a little too cocky. I wanted to do a little bit of a drift, and we went counter-steer too much. So what I learned today is not to be cocky, and now I'm going to let Adam ride all the way back home. So Adam is going to be my pilot.
Jet ski, bro.
I know what you're talking about. I'm not drunk.
How's the jet ski?
Fuck, man. I'm red. There's only one cruiser too. I'm dying.
No, I was actually going crazy in the front, bro. I was flying in the front. That one 800, I'm gonna remember that.
Back at the apartment, guys. Yes, sir.